today we're going to test the DecoArt Clear Pouring Top Coat. Read the instructions and it says do not shake, so we're not gonna shake it. We're supposed to pour it and let it dry at a 45-degree angle, so I'm gonna use these to let it dry. Let's see if it will stay, because this is probably have to put something in there. So let's see. I imagine that is enough. I'm not sure, but you know what? I'm gonna try to recover it. I don't know if you can do that, but probably. You see my fingers. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do that, but I'm testing it. Make sure it is everywhere. I don't think I put enough, so I'm gonna put a tiny bit more in here. It is self-leveling, so it will level itself. I just want to make sure that I cover it completely. We have still another section that we have not covering here. I'm not sure if it's fine to do it this way. We'll know. We'll see how it's gonna be after it has dried, but we're gonna let it dry for 24 hours. Just making sure that everything is covered on the edges. And I think I have something in there, so I'm gonna put a tiny bit in there. I'm not sure if you're supposed to do it this way, but I'm trying my best. It's supposed to be self-level, so let's move it so that it levels. Okay, I think it has enough, so I'm just taking the excess and I'm going to put try to recover what I have in here before this dries. Also, I'm not sure you're supposed to do this, but I'm gonna do it because I don't want to waste product. There's a hair in there, so I'm not sure, but we'll know. Okay, let's do this. I'm still removing the excess. Okay, so I put it, it's not an exactly 45-degree angle, but it's enough so that it can finish flowing. And then I'm gonna be checking it because I'm going all the drippings. I'm gonna lift it and make sure I clean the drippings. I think it finished dripping, so now I'm gonna let it and I don't know how many minutes I waited, but probably 20 minutes, and I think it finished dripping, so I put it flat now. I'm not sure if that's the way to do it because it doesn't say how long you have to keep it on a 45-degree angle, but if you leave it like that, it's gonna dry with the drippings attached. So what I did was that I remove all the drippings. You can see them in here with these. I remove all the drippings like this, and I have them in here, and they have dried for a little bit, so I'm not gonna use that. I'm not gonna use that to put it back, but I think I'm gonna find a small piece and put those drippings. Okay, now this piece was done with a polyurethane varnish and it cracked. See how it cracked? So I'm going to try to put these drippings in here, and so that I don't waste them. And I'm just going to experiment with this one. Let me put that on the side. See what's gonna happen to put it on top of something that have been already done. This is all about experimenting, so we have to experiment. Now we're using dripping, so I don't know if it's gonna be good, because those drippings were there for a while. Now we're gonna know now if they're good or not. There's see what's gonna happen with these. Put a tiny bit more in there. Oops, there's something on my where it came from, what I put in there. Oh well. See what's gonna happen. Okay, I think it's enough, and we're going to put it to dry in a minute. But first, I'm going to close my where is the lid? So let's see what's gonna happen. We have to also put it, I'm gonna use these drippings for the edges, to cover the edges. I think they were completely covered. Okay. So let's let it flow. And we have to put it this way. Until it's finished flowing. So here it is. This is just one coat of that fabulous DecoArt Top Coat, DecoArt Top Coat. I had posted the link on Amazon, but yesterday it sold out. But keep looking, they will put it again. They will put it again back on stock. It is so clear, so shiny, and so beautiful. It is very soft. It is wonderful. So I hope you can get it. This is the product that was cracked with the polyacrylic, the one that was cracked with the polyacrylic, and I put the other product. And so I fixed it with this DecoArt Top Coat. It was, the polyacrylic has cracked on this one, so I do not recommend using the polyacrylic one. Use the DecoArt Top Coat, and let me show you the product again. It is just wonderful. It is cheaper. This is the product. It is cheaper than resin. There's no mixing at all. It's so easy to do that it beats in all the aspects the resin. So I recommend you get this. And thank you for joining me.